These images that you see here are of the birds that were observed in late October through mid-November at an Audubon sanctuary in southeastern New York, a shallow wetland marsh habitat known as the 6.5 Station Sanctuary. Bird watchers and the general public who visit this sanctuary are treated to a diversity of wildlife, as you can observe here. But I wanted to emphasize that it is enjoyable to visit a diversity of habitats because different birds inhabit different habitats, and you might see a specific species in one area and not others. So, for example, another Audubon sanctuary in Orange County, that of Norman Brook, has taller trees, and this pileated woodpecker prefers deeper forests as opposed to the short trees which exist around the wetland at the first sanctuary. And so this would be a bird that you might see at one habitat, but not the first. Nearby, the Stony Creek Audubon Sanctuary is a site where I often see fox sparrows that I do not often see in other sites. The Bashakill is a preserved wetland in the neighboring New York County of Sullivan County, and these images of a bald eagle and of bluebirds are from there. Across the border in Pike County, Pennsylvania, there is a deep lake named Wallenpaupack, and the birds that one might observe here include loons and scoters that one would not see in the shallow wetland of 6.5 Station Sanctuary. The neighboring Sussex County, New Jersey, includes ridges along the Atlantic Flyway, and one might observe raptors migrating south, such as these sharp-shinned hawks. The Delaware River would be a site where one might see common mergansers that would not be typically seen in other habitats. These were just a few examples that if you're enjoying nature, you might want to consider trying to diversify the sites that you visit, because in different habitats you would find different birds and other wildlife.